Minimalist travel is more popular than ever. You don't need huge suitcases or piles of gear, just one backpack packed with the right essentials. In this video, we'll walk through 14 one-bag travel must-haves that deserve a place in every backpack. Most of them are under $50 and might surprise you. Let's start with the first essential, Kenneth Tech Crossbody Bag. One-bag travel becomes much easier when you keep a compact everyday carry bag like this inside your main backpack. Its biggest advantage is its organization. 9 storage pockets for your phone, wallet, passport, cables, earbuds, and even a small tablet up to 8 inches. A hidden bottle pocket is especially handy during long days of exploring. At about $41, it includes a 47-inch adjustable strap so you can wear it comfortably across your body for quick access to essentials. Packing clothes is a major challenge for one-bag travelers, and that's where WANALIT vacuum storage bags excel. The kit includes 16 assorted size bags to compress everything from t-shirts to winter jackets. A wireless rechargeable pump removes the air in about 10 seconds, shrinking items to a fraction of their original size. The dual-sided design is clever, a clear side for quickly seeing what's inside and an opaque side for privacy. At around $35 for the full kit, it's an easy way to fit far more into a single bag. Our next essential is the Bulletag all-in-one keychain. It looks like a regular keychain but packs 4 powerful features. It includes a 100-watt fast-charging USB-C cable to quickly power your phone, tablet, or other devices, and supports 5 gigabits per second data transfer to move files without extra cables. It also offers up to 256 gigabytes of built-in storage for documents, photos, and backups, plus a Bluetooth tracker compatible with Find My networks to help you locate lost keys, bags, or gear. This tiny gadget, starting at around $29, is ideal for travelers who want to carry as little as possible. My favorite one-bag essential is the Boost Smart Water Bottle, a 32-ounce insulated stainless steel bottle that pairs with a smartphone app to track your water intake. An LED ring reminds you when it's time to drink, and internal sensors estimate how much you've had based on flow and bottle angle, helping you meet your daily hydration goals. Beyond the smart tech, it's also a high-quality insulated bottle that keeps drinks cold for up to 12 hours and hot for up to 24, making it great for flights, hikes, and everyday travel. It usually costs about $55. Every backpack deserves a grooming essential like the MR.GREEN Manicure Kit. This compact travel case holds a complete grooming setup, 10 stainless steel tools including nail clippers, tweezers, scissors, ear cleaners, and a glass nail file, neatly stored in a sleek PU leather case. Designed to match the natural curve of your nails, they offer comfortable, precise grooming. Slim and portable, it fits easily into any backpack pocket. At around $38, it's a smart, space-saving way to stay sharp on the go. Avoid messy leaks on the go by switching to the Live Nature shampoo and conditioner bar set. Instead of bulky, spill-prone bottles, you get 2 compact solid bars that last for months. The shampoo bar features coconut-derived cleansers that create a rich lather with just a few swipes without relying on harsh chemicals. The conditioner bar provides deep hydration that won't weigh your hair down. Each set includes protective travel tins so your bars pack easily into any backpack or toiletry kit, all for just $29. Our next essential is the TUCCH MagSafe wallet, a slim bifold that snaps onto the back of compatible iPhones with strong built-in magnets. It turns your phone and everyday cards into one compact unit with 6 card slots inside, including a clear ID window and quick access cutouts for easy removal. RFID blocking protection helps shield your cards from digital theft while you travel. You can also detach it instantly and use it as a standalone wallet for extra flexibility. At around $24, it's an easy upgrade that reduces pocket clutter and keeps your key cards within reach. Travelers often pack a lightweight rain poncho, such as the ANYOO hooded rain poncho. Weighing just 9 ounces, this poncho provides serious rain protection. Its 3-in-1 design lets it double as a ground sheet or small emergency tarp. The oversized cut covers both you and your backpack, ideal for hikes or long walks. When not in use, it packs into a compact 9-inch pouch that barely takes up space in your bag. At about $14, it's a simple yet highly valuable emergency travel item. Our next essential is the FITKICKS Women's Minimalist shoe, a lightweight backup pair that folds to fit in any bag. The flex-form sole molds to your foot for a barefoot-like feel while still protecting you from rough surfaces. They're perfect for hotel rooms, beach trips, yoga, airport security, and quick walks. The non-slip rubber sole adds grip on wet surfaces, while the reinforced toe area improves durability during active use. They cost around $30, are machine washable, and make a great backup shoe for women. If you travel internationally, the VINTAR Universal Travel Adapter Kit is a must-have. This is an essential addition to any backpack, supporting plug types used in over 200 countries. It includes 6 detachable plug heads compatible with outlets in the US, UK, Europe, Australia, India, and Africa. It also doubles as a 7-in-1 charging station with 4 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, so you can charge up to 7 devices at once from a single wall outlet. At around $38, it's an excellent value for multi-country trips. For one-bag travel, the Ridge Magnetic Power Bank is another must-have. With MagSafe magnetic attachment, compatible phones snap directly onto the charger for wireless charging. Its 20-watt fast-charging output powers devices quickly, while the integrated kickstand lets you prop up your phone as it charges. Built-in USB-C and Lightning cables remove the need to pack extra charging cords. At around $79, it's a premium choice for people who rely on their devices, offering up to 3 full phone charges, more than enough for long travel days. Staying organized is essential when you're traveling with just one bag, and that's where the Thule Aion toiletry bag really shines. Inside, dedicated compartments for grooming tools, skincare products, and travel-size bottles. A removable TSA-compliant liquid pouch speeds up airport security by letting you pull out liquids without unpacking the whole bag. The durable waxed canvas exterior gives it a rugged, water-resistant finish, while the interior makes spills easy to wipe up. At about $52, it's a well-designed toiletry organizer built for frequent travelers. This $13 brown leather notebook is another travel must-have for your bag. This compact A5 journal comes with a pen and is ideal for note-taking, travel planning, journaling, and quick sketches. It includes 240 pages of high-quality paper and a 180-degree lay-flat design for comfortable writing anywhere. A built-in pen holder ensures you always have a writing tool handy, whether you're on a plane, in a cafe, or in a hotel desk. If you're serious about one-bag travel, your backpack matters as much as what you pack. The Cotopaxi Allpa 35-liter travel pack is among the best. It opens like a suitcase, giving you full access without unpacking everything. Inside, multiple compartments separate clothing, gear, and accessories. A padded sleeve protects laptops up to 15 inches, and stretched side pockets hold water bottles or other quick-access items. Air mesh shoulder straps, a supportive hip belt, and balanced weight distribution keep it comfortable on long travel days. At about $225, it's a premium pack trusted by many one-bag travelers. If you found something useful in this list, you'll find all the product links in the description below. And if you'd like to see some foldable travel gadgets, check out the next video.